Question is, who received the first prophecy after Adam, peace be upon him? Answer is Hazrat Idris, peace be upon him. Question is, who said Subhanallah first? Answer is Hazrat Jibrail, peace be upon him. Question is, which surah is called the bridle of Holy Quran? Answer is Surah Ar-Rahman. Question is, what is the name of the father of Prophet Ismail, peace be upon him? Answer is Hazrat Ibrahim, peace be upon him. Question is, what was the relationship between Hazrat Ismail and Hazrat Ishaq, peace be upon him? Answer is brothers. They were brothers. Question is, how many pillars of Islam are there? Answer is, there are 5 pillars of Islam. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you. Like the video, comment and share with others. Thanks once again.